Do you hear me clearly? Okay, my network was bad.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
that's good though. So where are you from?
I'm from Ohio, but I live in New Jersey in the United States. How about you?
Well, I'm from Bangladesh, but I have a question from the beginning of our conversation.
Yeah.
Are you really an angel?
No, I'm just me.
You are better than angel.
I'm
To
just
be
myself.
honest. To be honest, you are better than angel.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it.
Well, okay,
That
so
was sweet.
nice to see you. So, how old are you?
I'm 27.
27. Well, that's good. Very young. I'm 30,
How
so
old are you?
about 3 years difference.
Oh, okay.
So, as I know, the Christmas day is coming very soon, knocking door. So, what kinds of plan you have arranged to celebrate on this special day?
I'm just gonna cook a lot of food and celebrate with some family. So just spend time with family and eat food.
Oh, certainly. So, you are very fond of family?
Yes, very much so. I love my family.
Alright, that's cool though. I do love also to spend most of the time with the family. It's really good fun.
Yeah.
What do you do for yourself?
What do you like to do?
Oh, well.
What I do for myself?
Alright, yeah.
You answer my question first, I'll answer second.
Okay, so what did you ask?
What do you like to do?
Oh.
Like, what do you do for a living? What do you like to do?
Alright, I'm a content creator, just a YouTuber, and I have a small business that is chicken farm. I have a small chicken farm. Yeah,
Nice.
but I have a venture in the future.
Okay.
Do you know what is that?
No.
My venture is, as I have Facebook
Oh, the
page.
internet. I think your internet.
Pardon?
Okay, I can hear you now. Sorry,
Okay.
it cut out for a second.
Okay. So as I have Facebook page and YouTube channel where I'm getting paid. So within a few weeks, I'm gonna start to travel across the globe. So that's all of my intention.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So
Alright.
where do you plan on going first?
You know, initially maybe Europe and Western countries will not be interested to give me visa, but I think around the Asian country like Thailand, Singapore or something like that, and then I will try to go inside the America.
Oh, okay. That's awesome. I wish you the best of luck. That's really awesome.
Thank you. But have you ever been any other country?
No, I wish. I wish I have.
Do you like traveling?
I do. Yeah.
Alright. You know, most of the American people just love to travel across the globe, and basically they try to go on the specific day like Christmas, birthday and something like that. But you didn't have any trip yet. But I hope you would really embark on this journey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So
Awesome.
if I come in America, would you like to talk with me?
We can always message each other on here first, because I'm not into giving my number and stuff out or anything like that. But we could always talk on here first and see how that goes.
Okay. See what happened really, but I'm not really trusted in this app. If it's get banned or get really something else, so how do I find you?
I have like Facebook.
Oh, you have Facebook.
I do. I just got Facebook again. I'm not really on there, so that's probably not a good option. I don't go on there a lot.
Oh, okay.
So,
okay, we can keep continue here.
Yeah, just message me on here first, and then we'll figure it out.
Certainly. I hope you will be using this app for a year, and within a year, I think I will go inside the America as a travel blogger.
That's awesome. Okay. Hold on, I'll be right back.
Sure.